Hello again. I've started the summer preparation with the car. So now I'm currently taking off the winter wheels to put on the summer wheels. I'm taking off the first wheel here. I just have to clean the insides properly before I put it away for the winter. Looking forward to put on the LMs. Now I'm just gonna spray wash the inside of the wheel wells properly here, and I have to say it's looking pretty nice for being driven in the winter. I avoided the worst days with salt and stuff, so I think this looks pretty good. So next now is to take off all the wheels, wash them, wash all the wheel wells, put on summer tires, and the next project is to take off the front bumper, take off all the leaves. Don't know if we can, I can't see any stuff inside here, so hopefully it's looking pretty good, but I want to take it off just to be sure that everything is fine. Then I'm also planning to take off the rear bumper and clean properly on the inside there and behind the lights. And I also am planning to change out the exhaust tips actually, and also the spark plugs. Cleaned up nicely. I marked each wheel with the position I was in. To 130 Newton. And voila, one side is done. This thing works brilliantly. Best thing I've used. Brush on this first to get off all the dirt and just spray it off. done with first wheel. Cleaned up nicely. Front wheels are dirtier in the rear because of the brake discs, but yeah. So while I wait for the soap to work inside the wheel arch, I clean the next wheel, and then I change back and forward until I'm done. Halfway done. This side with still the winter turbo twists on, just looks elegant and right for the car. Then you go over to the summer side, woo, and it just looks pretty darn awesome. It's like bøs, it's a good Norwegian word for it. Brutal, but still racing elegant. I love both sides. What's your favorite? Comment below. Or if you have any other rims, would be cool to hear. Oh, I'm glad I have both. Very happy to put this on in the summer, and very happy to have the elegant turbo twist in the winter. Done with the wheels. Finally got all wheels back on the car. And I have definitely missed the summer wheels. They look awesome. So now, next things up are to take off the front bumper and clean the radiators, and then spark plugs, and take up the rear bumper and clean and make sure everything looks good there. And then the car is all ready for the summer. Alright. See you later.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.